Welcome to Vapari Farms, where we're passionate about organic gardening and self-sufficiency. Today, we're exploring natural alternatives to chemical fertilizers that will nourish your plants and soil without harsh synthetic ingredients. Let's dive into three powerful organic options: compost, bone meal, and fish emulsion. Compost is the foundation of any organic garden. Here's why it's amazing. Improves soil structure and water retention, provides a slow release of essential nutrients, encourages beneficial microorganisms. To use compost, mix 1 to 2 inches into the top 3 to 5 inches of soil when preparing beds. Add a handful to planting holes for an extra boost. Top dress around plants with a half-inch layer monthly. Bone meal is excellent for promoting strong roots and vibrant blooms, high in phosphorus and calcium. Ideal for root vegetables and flowering plants, slow-release nutrients for long-term feeding. Application tips: use 1 tablespoon per 2 square feet of soil, mix into planting holes, or rake into existing beds, best for soil with pH below 7. Fish emulsion is perfect for giving plants a rapid growth spurt, rich in nitrogen for lush foliage. Contains trace minerals and micronutrients, fast-acting and easily absorbed by plants. How to apply: dilute ½ ounce in 1 gallon of water. Apply as a soil drench or foliar spray twice weekly. Ideal for leafy greens and young seedlings. Remember, these organic fertilizers work best when used in combination. For example, pair bone meal with compost for a well-rounded nutrient profile. Always perform a soil test before applying to ensure you're meeting your plant's specific needs. By choosing these natural alternatives, you're not only nurturing your plants, but also supporting a healthier ecosystem in your backyard. Happy gardening, and remember, grow organic for life.